Hello, hello, hello. What's happening? Oh, sorry, I don't talk to that. Bit of fun. Bit of fun. Go to the head out.
Stop!
When did you have the liquid? I have to smoke mine now. Don't put the mic too close to the speaker. It kind of squeaks at you. Told you. I told you so. So this is just. Why is the thing making noises? So there's a little morning podcast right now. Well, just a little podcast anyway. My message is up there. I tell you my message is up. Sit there. Sit there, look guys, sit there. Whoop! I don't do it. There she is. You watch her play games. Darling, they're watching you. The guys are on the lookout. The lookout for the my missus. Guys, come back into it, please. So, we're having fun. Little chat, morning chat. I'm using my microphone. Don't know why I'm using my microphone. My voice is loud enough as it is, but hey. I like my wireless microphone. My message says hello. Don't you, darling. She blew in the mic. Yes, she didn't fasten the mic like I did. So, it's a good time. So that's a little chat to you. We go out for a walk in a minute. Back to you all. Bye.